going to be a ride recap, how the weekend went. So Friday, we arrived at about 1:45, I believe, p.m. Gates weren't supposed to open until 4 p.m. So we hung out for a little bit. Koby and a few other guys showed up about 3 o'clock. So once that came around, we pulled up, we unloaded the bikes. I met everybody. Kind of just hung around probably till about, I think about 5:30 we had the riders meeting, and from there we got to riding. So the first ride out, before I went out, actually, I started the bike, started up fine, was riding. You know, I did a few quick passes just to make sure she was riding good, and she was. So that was before it got cold, I don't know. But so I go out for the first ride. Instantly I knew the bike was running bad. So pull the bike back into the pits. I switched the air filter to the TV filter that I had on previously, and I go back out there and the bike rips good. So I was ripping it, you know, riding good. Well, I think I was riding good. I was riding pretty sloppy. But then later on through the night, the bike just started riding worse and worse. As you can see in some of those clips, especially in one of them, my endo super bad. You can hear me rev out, and right before I hit that jump, you can hear the bike bog and just hesitate really bad. So that's that. I had a fun weekend meeting everyone. Saw some sweet bikes, and yeah, overall it was a good weekend. But like in that one clip, you can see that I endo super bad. I'm pretty sure I either blew out the forks or blew out the bearings in the front end, and then shortly after that, later on in that same lap, the bike stopped running good. So that's gonna be it for the video. Hopefully you guys like it, and stay tuned for the next one.